Class 4, how are you all? So students, today take out your English textbook and look at page 17, the third unit we were reading yesterday, and half of the chapter, half of the unit we have read, and today we will continue with the half of it. So let's see. So students, what we were reading yesterday, Abdullah and his friends, unit 2. So let's see, and what we have read yesterday, that we have read about Abdullah. Abdullah was a boy and who liked three students of his class fellow the most, and he was very inspired by his three class fellow. One was Sohail. Sohail was a monitor, and why he wasn't that much intelligent, but still every teacher liked him, and he was very friendly with teachers, and the most of his personality was very charming one. He was very graceful. His personality was decent one. So and no teacher say him anything, can say him anything. So then we read about Moise. Moise was another boy who was the tallest and who was the strongest boy, and who was the most senior boy of the whole school. And because he had been repeating the same class for so many years, and no teacher, and he was the sort of a disobedient student who used to disobey his teacher, and no teacher, and first he didn't attend any sort or do any his homework. But whenever if by chance he attend any of the class, he used to sleep at the back of the seat, and no teacher was allowed to ask him that why are you sleeping. So could easily make a conversation with Moise because of his power, unlike others, could easily make a conversation with Moise. So we have read till now, and today we will continue with the further chapter. So let's see. Then there was Yasir. He was telling about another boy who was Yasir, and the genius of the class. He solved any problem that was given to him in 5 minutes. Some students believed that he could spend the entire class asking questions. Others claimed that Yasir was actually slow at learning, so he learned all the problems and their solutions in advance. It was also believed that he scored good in the exams because he was a teacher's pet. He could speak well. He knew all the rivers, mountains, and countries in the world. He could speak history and in his sleep. Grammar was child's play to him. His face was radiant with intelligence. Abdullah looked up to him as a marvel. He was very happy when Yasir was admitted to their company. Moise liked him in his own way and brought down his heavy fist on his Yasir's back whenever he wanted to show affection. Now, what they are saying about the Yasir, they are saying that he was a very intelligent one. Some assume that he has that much stamina that he can ask questions throughout the whole class, and while other claim he basically he's a slow learner. So that's why he used to find every solution to his all problems in advance. But other believes that he scored good marks because of teacher's pet, and and him because he could speak well. He knows everything related to history, related to geography, related to grammar. So that's why he and Abdullah says that his face was radiant with intelligence. His face was brightened up with confidence. He was so confident enough that his face was brightened up with his face was brightened up. Abdullah looked up him as a marvel. Abdullah looked at him as a wonder, as inspiration. He was very happy when Yasir was admitted to their company, and he was very happy when Yasir joined their company. And Moise also liked him a lot, and Moise used to show affection to him by putting his heavy fist on his back. Are you getting me? Now look at the second paragraph. They're talking about a new boy whose name is Ahmed. The fourth friend was Ahmed, known as P on the account of size. Like they say that Ahmed was a small size, so they used to call him P because he was thin as well. He was very weak, and secondly, he was small in height as well. So they used to call P on the account of his size. There was nothing outstanding about him. He was just ordinary. He always nervous about things as Abdullah was. The bond between them was laughter. They had same view about many things. The more trivial and unnoticeable things to others would make them laugh. The five friends were always together. So they are saying that Ahmad wasn't an outstanding student of the class, or his personality was as graceful as Yasser and as Yasser, but he is saying he was an ordinary student and he was very confusing. He get nervous easily, and but the Abdullah is saying the bond I share with him was very special because what thing which seems to be attractive to me, the same thing seemed attracting to him as well, and which was very common, which was very ordinary, which was very unimportant for others, unnoticeable for others, but it was very attractive for others, and we used to find sort of interest in that thing, and that's why we used to same bond with each other, and we used to laugh together, and we used to share same level of thinking. So that's why he was saying he was Ahmed was close to whom Abdullah, and these five friends were always together, and they were and the Moise, Ahmed, Abdullah, Yasser, and all were together. So look at the last paragraph. One day, a newcomer entered the school. His name was Momin. Momin was a sweet, wise, and kind-hearted young boy who helped everyone. One morning, Momin was standing at the back of the class while talking to a class fellow. He leaned on Moi's chair by mistake. Mois became furious and pushed Momin. Everyone, including Abdullah, starting cheering for Mois. So the five friends who were Sohail, Yasser, Ahmed, Mois, and Abdullah. They all were friends, as we have told you. Now we have up till now we have read about five boys. Yes or no? Now there is a new entry of a newcomer whose name was Momin. Yeah, and they were saying he was a newcomer of this school, and he was very sweet, and he was very kind-hearted, he was very generous, and he helped everyone. One morning, and one morning, the next day when he came to school, he was talking to someone. He was having a conversation with someone in the class. Was the one of his class fellow. So while he was talking, he leaned by mistakenly. He leaned on Moi's chair. Lean means to move in a sloping position. Sloping position by mistake, but Moise saw that he leaned on his chair, and he became very furious. He became very angry, and he pushed Momin by force. Very rudely. So and then everyone, including Abdullah, starting cheering for Moise, starting supporting Moise, because they know Moise is a strong person. Moise is a furious person. Moise is an aggressive person. So he will definitely teach him a moment a good lesson. That's why he started calling his name and cheering him, supporting him. Then Momin stood up and very calmly said, but Momin didn't reply him in his Moise way, but he very calmly he stood up and said, treat others like you want to be treated, because what goes round comes round. And he didn't answer him in his way. He didn't misbehave with Moise, but he said, like, treat others like treat others the way the way you like to treat it to yourself. Like what you will do will come to you next day. Are you getting me? What you I'm also telling you, this is a lesson for us all as well. Whatever wrong you will do to others will come to you in one or another way, if one day or another day, because one or another day, because what goes round comes round, remember student. So that's why, if always try to behave with everyone very politely, very in a very decent way, and respect others, and don't make anyone, and don't fight. Fighting is not a good thing. If you have you have certain concern, then you can solve it by sitting, or by using by having a conversation instead of pushing others. So this is a bad thing. Suddenly the whole class was quiet, and Momin walked out saying, may Allah guide us all and have mercy on us. So let's see that Momin behaved so, tackled the situation so beautifully. The way Moise was treating him, and he said, and he was the whole class when he said that treat the way you wanted yourself to be treated, and that what's go round come round, and then he become quieted. The whole class was quiet, who was supporting Moise at that time. And what did Momin do? He uses to walk out from the class. He leaves the class immediately, and by saying that may Allah, and what a beautiful thing Momin said, that may Allah guide us and have mercy on us. This is such a beautiful thing in such a situation. May Allah also make us the same way as Momin is. See, I mean, okay, Moise intensely felt bad. Now they say Moise obviously felt very bad after Momin said these words to him, and later he apologized to Momin, and every left peacefully in the class. Like what he do, Moise felt bad. He realized his mistake, and he say sorry to Momin, and he apologized for his mistake to Momin, and then everyone lived peacefully in the class. And then the class situation was quite improved as compared to others. There was no dominance of one student. Everyone was considered equally, and there was peace in the class. So that was all the lesson, and I hope the lesson is clear to you. And what you have to do today, you have to do the reading of the words, and you have to learn the difficult words meaning. Are you getting me? All is that for today, and tomorrow we will continue with this exercise of unit 2, Abdullah and his friend. Thank you, students.